How you guys doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the hood handle on Alfa GT and 147. I'm gonna start by removing these two Allen screws. For that I'm gonna use my spinner handle and 4mm Allen socket. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the cable out of this plastic mount. All we gotta do is pull it toward yourself. You might have to use a bit of force. There it is. Now I'm gonna push the cable inside and I'm gonna pull up on the handle. As you can see right here, the end of the cable is held in place with these two plastic clips, so I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver to push them in and get the cable out. Before I do that, I'm going to push the cable inside as much as possible to get some slack. And now I'm going to push on these two plastic clips. I'm gonna push the cable out. And there it is. Now I can slide the whole thing off. When installing a new handle, the process is even simpler. Push the cable through and place the end of it inside the slot. Now I'm just gonna give it a gentle push with the screwdriver, and that's basically it. Now lastly, I'm gonna push this plastic piece inside the mount. You basically hear the click when it goes in all the way. Now I'm gonna put back the screws, and that is basically it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit a like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of the team.